Welcome to Talkio. In this video, we walk you through how to set your settings in your Talkio. Let's get started. Let's click Settings. Here, as you can see, you can choose your tutors before you start your language learning. Here, you can set your native language and preferred practice language. You can also set the proficiency to your desired level. For the UI language, you can set it to your desired language and change the Talkio app to the language you pick. Next is the speech input. Automatic punctuation is for the words you speak generate punctuation automatically without needing you to edit. You can toggle the multilingual speech recognition on so the tutor doesn't mishear the language you spoke. Hands-free chat mode is for you to speak to the tutor hands-free without clicking a button. Auto-translate is for the tutor's response to automatically translate to your native language. For the talking speed, you can set your desired talking speed with the tutor. And instant feedback, it is a suggested answer for you to the tutor. For the audio, you can toggle it to hear the tutor's response aloud automatically, and you can also save your voice recordings to the daily session. You can also set email reminders for your practice session so you can't miss a single day of your language learning. That's it. You are ready now and can start your language learning with Talkio. Thanks for watching. See you on another video.